Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Robinhood wallet. First, download the Robinhood wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing Robinhood credentials. You'll then need to complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for securing your assets and complying with regulations. This step ensures your wallet is protected and ready for use. After setting up your account, you'll want to fund your wallet. You can link your bank account directly to deposit funds or transfer supported cryptocurrencies from another external wallet. To further protect your assets, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Also, be aware of transaction fees, which are generally quite competitive and transparent within the app. With your wallet funded, you can now start managing your crypto assets. Explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies available for buying and selling directly within the app. To send or receive crypto, simply use your unique Robinhood wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. The app also provides tools to monitor your portfolio's performance, helping you track your investments effectively. Beyond basic transactions, Robinhood Wallet offers advanced features. You can explore staking opportunities to potentially earn rewards on your holdings and utilize advanced charting tools for deeper market analysis. These features help you make more informed decisions. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.